Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Hogwarts Summer School. Today marks the beginning of an incredible journey. Over the next few weeks, you won't be just attending sessions, you will be building friendships, discovering your strength you never know you had. What awaits beyond these castle gates? You might be wondering what exactly lies ahead. You'll learn from amazing professors and mentors, explore exciting challenges, work with talented peers, and compete in activities designed to push your creativity and leadership skills. Most importantly, you'll have to step outside of your comfort zone. And the goal is simple you just have to learn something new, something innovative, and something creative. So, every great journey starts with a new team. At Hogwarts, every participant belongs to one of these unique four houses. Each house has its own strength, its own personality, and its own identity. And remember, there is no best house. The house becomes great because of the people inside it. The ultimate quest. Now let's talk about the biggest prize of them all, the House Cup. This isn't just an award to the smartest individual or the loudest team. The House Cup rewards participation, teamwork, leadership, creativity, and spirit. Every challenge, every activity, and every contribution matters. By the end of this journey, one house will lift up the trophy, and every participant will have the opportunity to leave their own mark on it. Want to help your house climb up the leaderboard? It's simple. Just attend sessions, participate actively, ask thoughtful questions, take initiatives, and demonstrate leadership. And just a point can be earned. It's that simple. The secret is simple. Small actions performed consistently will take you to a big reward. The castle seeks its leader. Leadership is not a title, leadership is action. Throughout the program, you'll have to take opportunities to participate in prefect trials and compete for the leadership position within your own house. We are looking for people who can inspire others, communicate effectively, solve problems, and think creatively. If you have ever wanted to step forward and lead, it is your moment. Adventure awaits. Of course, no magical journey would be complete without an adventure. You'll take part in house challenges, exciting competitions, engaging masterclass, and special community activities. Some of the best memories won't come from just winning. They'll come from working together, overcoming challenges, and celebrating the success together with your teammates. And the unrolled scrolls. Each person in the room has its own story for sure. Through an Unrolled Scroll series, you'll have the opportunity to interview others or to be interviewed yourself and learn from the experiences of your fellow classmates and mentors. Sometimes the most valuable lessons don't come from textbooks, but they come from real stories, real failures, and real experiences. So, it is your chance now. The Hogwarts Code. Before we continue, let us talk about the values that define our community. Be kind, be respectful, be curious, and be inclusive. Support your house and also support one another. Competitions make us stronger, but respect and kindness shows our community. These aren't just rules, they are the foundation of everything we are going to do here. And yes, finally, the adventure begins. As we conclude today's ceremony, I want you all to remember one thing. You weren't chosen because you have already achieved something. You were chosen because you had the potential, what we saw in you. Over the upcoming weeks, challenge yourself, support your house, meet new people, try something new, and most importantly, enjoy the journey throughout. And yes, finally, welcome to the Hogwarts Summer School. Let the adventure begin. Thank you.